What that? This? Morning time, morning time. As you can say,
no man, the one them cut
up
off,
to the level. The new evaporator core for the Suzuki Baleno. The one you see. Do a conversion on the pipe right here. Right here, right now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen. It's a new conversion. Yeah.
White metal well up on Mulline Road.
Yeah. You hear him talking to your people, ladies and gentlemen. I would love to broadcast this gentleman here, Mr. Orel.
Alright.
From I was about 23, now about 49 years old. Around this man doing white metal welding, you can see. He do rings and all of that. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this bus here on Boulevard here, on the Mullines Road, I should say. As you can see, this man done all the work. And as I would love to promote my cable bridge in them, as you can see, Parks Cable. The man them from a longer time, you have Chucky running the AC like myself too. So you can see it's a one big family in the Mullines Road here. As you can see. You understand me? You think you want in the video. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing a conversion right now. Yeah. You understand me? Yeah, you see? Conversion to the Suzuki Baleno. As we're doing a thing, man. Compressor gone. Expansion valve gone, dryer gone, expansion valve coil finished. It's not good anymore, leaking, so you can see. We're doing out a video and that you can be able to see what's taking place, you know. New building of the Suzuki Baleno. Suzuki is a peculiar car, a car that personally, if even I look up the black, rust oil or anything in the line of the condenser or anything like that, the evaporator core, would personally mash up the compressor in like 5 minutes. You understand it? By your gas it up and everything like that, we're back in square one. So I've been doing this from a sketch, from the starting back over, compressor, evaporator core, expansion valve, condenser, and dryer. And as long everything is in clear condition, then we can go. The pipelines are in condition, high and low pressure, so we can go from there. So we'll continue. You know, last time I do the coil of the compressor. Now I'm doing the evaporator core right now. He's about to do a welding on it or a conversion. So I would like you people to see what he's doing personally. Okay? Let's take a look for me. Take a stage look for me. What is this? So he's trying to make an adapter to fit the pipe in. Adapter to fit the pipe in. So have the pipe stable as well. So you have well not properly. Okay? So get back to you people in a short while. I'm just here now charging. Left, right, center. Why do you look at that plastic? Why do you look at that plastic again?
See the length, right?
Yeah, man.
The same length, right?
Yeah, man.
Black have got inside.
Yeah, man. That I lease, man.
Alright.
Long as it comes to length, it's that time. Alright?
You might well.
Yeah, man. Yes, and gentlemen. Yeah, Marvel, let me do the first married, you know, you forget? Yeah, Marvel, let me do the first married, you know.
The pipe when black, me not trouble, you know. Black pipe black, you know.
Oh, it's black, I have been a pipe.
No, not the pipe. Black, color black.
Oh. Yeah, it starts to hot me, you know. Yeah?
Let it go.
Yeah.
More clean all that pipe, but you want to tap, you know.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the welding,
move?
the pipe can move, no? What the Ross is this, man? I tell you, man. Sorry. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, here you can see, doing a welding. This is the old evaporator core that I just take off. the whole evaporator core, the whole one that I personally came off of the Suzuki Balena, cut off the pipeline, put on a brand new one. A brand new one. You can see me putting ends on right now. I'm here now on the how much is it for the welding, my boss?
4 grand.
4 grand, okay. 4 grand to do the welding and this now to convert the pipe, and 8 grand for the 8 grand for the evaporator core. It's 10 grand for it, but as a technician you can get it at a discount, and I get a discount for him, so you know. Hey Jackie, you can look from my side, you know. Ice pump. Yeah man, I'm a project I'm done. Just some hard project for it, yeah. Yeah man, just some hard project for it, yeah man. You see? Yeah man, so I move to the regular life, yeah, you know. Yeah. I have to do everything in a guy, and I'm going to go here for me. I have to make some money somewhere. You see? So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I have one of my long-standing brethren from a longer while. I'm not seeing some of them link up and I don't have a reason, you know? Yeah, at the same time, and come do some work. I mean, that's it. You can see. You can see the top welder in him, so well. This is a sharp man, a long time at the business. I see him getting a great fight too, but I rather him getting a fight in straight stand up, you know. He bring a lot of students and a lot of students turning them back on him right now, playing a hard ball. But you know, it's in that same way, what I like it, because you can't find better well than him. The youth them coming with something new, yeah, but you know what I mean? They not reach the maximum. They not reach the maximum. That gone, you them both it now gone, that gone. That's gone. Yeah, part one that. I got the evaporator for, yeah?